Alright, this one is quite easy. There are two methods. The first method is called elimination method. And the other method is substitution. So we are going to use these two methods to solve this question here. Now, in terms of elimination method, first of all, I'll call this one equation 1 and then this one equation 2. Now, under elimination method, first of all, elimination means doing away with either x or y. Now, as you can see from this example here, here is a simultaneous equation in two unknowns. So you can either decide to eliminate x or eliminate y. For example, let's say I want to do away with x. Now, if for me to do away with x now, I'll come and take that one, x minus 4y is equals to 5, and then minus x plus 2y is equals to 1. Now, doing away with x, I will multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of x in equation 2. So the coefficient of x here is -1. So I'll multiply this one with -1, and then I'll multiply the equation number 2 with the coefficient of x in equation 1, which is 1. Right, so multiplying, I will get now the new value becomes -x, equation 1 becomes -x, plus 4y, remember negative multiplied by a negative you get a positive, and then this will become -5, because -1 times 5 becomes -5. Now equation 2, now again multiplying, we shall have -x plus 2y is equals to 1, because you are multiplying by 1, everything by 1. Now from here, when I want now to eliminate x, what I will do is, first of all, I ask myself, if I add the two equations, if I add equation 1 or my new equation 1 with my new equation 2, if I add, then I shall have -x plus -x, which is -2x. So I shall not have eliminated x if I add. Now what I need to do is now subtract. For me to eliminate now x, I need to subtract. So that if I subtract here, -x minus -x is the same as -x. So we have -x minus -x is the same as -x plus x, which gives us a 0. So I get a 0 there, and that means I've eliminated x. Now again, I do the same to all these other values. So here we have 4 minus 2, which gives us plus 2y is equals to now -5 minus 1, -5 here, -5 minus 1 gives us -6. So that 2y, is equals to -6, and y, if you divide both sides by 2, you get y is equals to -3. Now since y is -3, I come back to my equation 1 and write there x minus 4y is equals to 5. Now since y is -3, where there is y here, I put -3, so I shall have x minus 4 into -3 is equals to 5, and simplifying that, so this one crosses the equal sign, so -4 times -3 is, let me make it clear for you. First of all, we shall have x, so -4 times -3 gives us plus 12, which is equals to 5. Now x alone becomes 5 minus 12, which is equals to -7. So we find that x is -7 and y is -3. So that is elimination method used to solve that problem. How about substitution? Now under substitution, this is what you have. Same. So from equation 1, I will come and make x the subject of the formula. So from equation 1, I come and make x the subject of the formula by taking everything to my right hand side of the equal. So when negative 4y crosses, it becomes plus 4y. Next thing, I substitute for x in my equation 2. So where there is x, I put 5 plus 4y. That is what it means to say substituting. Substituting means where there is x, you put that value which is in your right hand side of the equal. So equation 2 is negative x plus 2y, which is equals to 1. So where there is x, I put there 5 plus 4y plus 2y is equals to 1. I am opening the bracket, means you multiply everything inside the bracket with what is outside the bracket. So we shall have negative 5 minus 4y plus 2y is equals to 1. Remember, a negative and a positive becomes a negative. Collecting like terms, I shall have on my left hand side equal, I want to have the values of y alone, which is negative 4y plus 2y is equals to 1. Now 5 crosses and becomes plus 5. Now minus 4y plus 2y is minus 2y is equals to 6. So dividing both sides by negative 2, you find that y is equals to negative 3. Now since y is negative 3, we just where there is x, you put there negative 3 and get the value of x to be negative 7. So this is how you go about solving such a problem. Make sure you share with your friends and don't forget to follow my Facebook page. Otherwise, thank you.